Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fly High Running to the Boarding Gate. Today I have come up with another words that you need to use in French while speaking to someone, right? In the last video I mentioned about how you can speak formally or informally when you're saying hi in French, right? So today we are going to discuss about how to say goodbye in French. Okay, so whenever we are saying a goodbye to an old friend, right, who is very dear to us, or a person who is known to us, we will say salut, salut. So this is how you need to pronounce whenever you are saying goodbye to a person whom you know very well, right? But if you are saying goodbye to an unknown person like you, it could be a lady who is not known to you, it could be your boss as well, right? So how do you pronounce that? Ahova, 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 ahova. This is how you need to pronounce whenever you are saying goodbye to a person whom you don't know. So let's just revise. Whenever you're saying goodbye to an old friend, say Lou. Or goodbye to an unknown person, over, over, right? Okay, so let's revise about the previous video as well. If you're saying hi to an old friend or a person whom you know, say Lou, right? But goodbye, say Lou. See the difference, right? Okay, and if you're saying hi to someone whom we don't know, bonjour, bonjour, right? So practice these 4 words in French. Salut, au revoir, salut, bonjour, bonjour. I hope you guys liked my video. If you really liked it and want more videos related to French as well as English IELTS, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Thank you so much.